Karnataka Governor Thawar Gehlot has returned the Greater Bengaluru Governance Bill to the state government, asking for clarifications. He cited concerns raised by civic representatives and opposition from the BJP. This is seen as a setback for the Congress-led government which aimed to improve civic administration in Bengaluru. Law and Parliamentary Affairs Minister H.K. Patil confirmed on Wednesday that the governor has sought clarifications on the bill. "We will provide the necessary explanations and send it back for approval," said H.K. Patil. The bill, which was passed despite BJP's opposition, proposes splitting Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagar Palike into up to 7 city corporations to improve governance. It also suggests creating a Greater Bengaluru Authority (GBA) to oversee coordination and supervision. The bill proposes a 30-month term for the mayor and deputy mayor. According to the plan, the Chief Minister would head the GBA as its ex officio chairperson, while the Bengaluru Development Minister would be the ex officio vice chairperson. H.K. Patil also shared that since August 2023, the government has passed 119 bills, out of which 83 have become laws. The governor has sought clarifications on 7 bills, while 4 bills are still pending with him. Additionally, 5 bills have been sent to the President for approval and 20 more bills are now being sent to the governor.